Welcome to MotorMav, your vehicle assistant. In this video, we will talk about the reasons for the DTC error code P0430 for Dodge Charger and the fixes. Keep watching this video to find out all the reasons to fix it properly. Reason number 1: Oxygen sensor misreading. Diagnose the oxygen sensors using a scope. The upstream oxygen sensor should have a fluctuating waveform, and the waveform of the downstream sensor is likely to be steady. If they are not, then replace the one who has a fault. Reason number 2: Clogged catalytic converter. Determine whether the catalytic converter is clogged. If you find it blocked, clean it, and if necessary, replace it as soon as possible. Reason number 3: O2 sensor wiring. To know whether it's the oxygen sensor being the culprit, you have to test it. If you find any fault, replace this particular sensor and move on. Reason number 4: Engine misfiring. Repairing the old spark plugs may solve this problem. Reason number 5: Exhaust leak. In this case, if you found a leak, repair it as soon as possible. And reason number 6: Engine temperature sensor. To solve this problem, simply restart the engine after a 5 minutes break. Once the sensor determines the engine's heat, the code will go away. This is all. Thank you. If you like our video, then subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.